Hey everyone, welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a GIF in Photoshop, step by step. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tips. Step 1. First, let's open up the GIF you want to edit. Simply drag and drop the GIF into Photoshop. Once it's open, you should see each frame of the GIF as a separate layer. Next, go to the Window tab and select Timeline. This will make the timeline window visible where you can see how your GIF plays frame by frame. Now you can make any edits you want. Step 2. Once you're happy with your edits, go to the File tab, select Export, and then choose Save for Web. A new window will open up. Step 3. In the Preset drop-down menu, select GIF. If your GIF has gradients, I recommend choosing the third option, which helps prevent color banding. For GIFs with a lot of solid colors, the second option works great. Step 4. Now you'll notice a number next to the GIF option. This number controls how many colors are used in your GIF. A higher number means more colors and detail, but it also increases the file size. Find a good balance depending on your needs. Step 5. Once you've made all your adjustments, hit Save at the bottom, and you're done. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.